Wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag an 8-figure.
A woman gonna like young girl.
Young girl them beg too much, daddy. We don't want here, do want nails, do want KFC, want burger. Them is gonna have shit.
Okay. Oh, this come over now. We never seen nothing like this. They get a fan road sale. How many of this a pack? Okay. Oh, this come over now. We never seen nothing like this. They get a fan road sale.
Oh, them so wicked. Why them so wicked? But I know so them girl ya wicked.
What can I say? Woman drivers. Woman drivers behind the wheel. How confident are you as a driver? Like, seriously, why did she get up from behind the wheel, right? And go sitting on the passenger side while the truck go past? Like, lady, you got passengers in the car. Huh? What about the safety of your passengers and yourself? All you had to do was take the steering wheel and turn it. Make sure you turn it the right way. So you don't turn it that way, you turn it this way. Hey? Make sure you turn the steering wheel out of the way of the oncoming vehicle and give it pass. See?